Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates channel here with me, Roberto Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CX cargo plane that flew to Xiamen from Hong Kong for maintenance this morning. So this aircraft is registered Papa Lima Juliet Lima, and then she took her flight number 63820 with a critical distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 12 minutes, and a track of 160 degrees as you can see it here. So this aircraft took off at runway 97 at Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport at 5 a.m. local time in Xiamen, and then she landed at the Hong Kong International Airport at Chek Nap Ko at the middle runway at 6:12 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. So she is most likely to get her new Cathay Cargo bigger titles, and she is also going to have maintenance during HAECO in Xiamen. So for the details of Papa Lima Juliet Lima, kindly check a previous video about this bird. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Ignacio, featuring my friend Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you